Merhaba. Hello guys, how are you? Today I will talk to you about the book that we are gonna learn this year. So the book called is Yagmur, which means rain. Okay. Um, Last year we learned about the first book, and this year we will continue the second. Okay. So let's see what's in the book. Or what are the units in this book. Okay, so the first unit will be um, about the greetings. I know you learned this last year, but the first unit is going to be like a review. If you see, you'll learn greetings, alphabet, numbers. So you already know these from last year, but we are gonna review. We are gonna refresh your mind, okay? And in the second unit, we are going to learn about the objects around us, like keys, like couch, chair, armchair. So those are gonna be what's in the unit. In the next unit, you are going to learn the jobs. Okay, you will first learn the jobs and how to use them in a sentence. Like, what do you want to be, or do you want to be a lawyer, or do you like your job? Those kind of stuff. Okay. Next one is about the countries. This year we are gonna continue learning the countries, and you will also learn about the cities, also like where they are located at, and also like their languages. Okay. And the next unit is the part of the house, like living room, kitchen, bathroom, uh, basement, those kind of places. And then you are going to learn how to say what's in that room. For instance, there's a fridge in the kitchen, or there's a bed in the bedroom. Okay. In the next one, we are going to learn about the personalities, like with personality and the appearances. Like, you will learn how to say tall, short, funny, cool, nice, rude, those kind of words, and also you will learn them in a sentence. Next unit is going to be about your hobbies. Okay. First you are going to learn about the hobbies, then you will use them in a sentence, and you may say, you may write like a diary, right? Or next we are going to learn about the places around you in your city. So like the college, post office, school, market. All right. Let's move on to next one. In this one, we are going to learn about like the sports and the other activities that you do. For instance, like basketball, football, soccer, tennis. So we are gonna learn about, do you play one of them, and do you watch them? Those kind of questions. And the next one, we are gonna learn about the foods. Okay, first we are going to learn about the basic stuff like the food name and like meal's name, and we are going to learn how to um, order a food, okay, when you go to a restaurant. Next, we are going to learn about the illnesses, okay. um, you'll learn how to say like I have a fever, I have a headache, I have a stomach ache, and then you will also learn how to talk to a doctor about your illness, okay. Next is like music instruments. All right, do you like to play any instruments, or do you want to learn, or when did you learn? Okay, next one is again, it's about sports that you know, like basketball, like what is your best sport? What is what do you like to watch? Do you know how to play tennis? Those kind of questions, okay. And the next one is your holiday, like what do you do over the break, or are you gonna go to somewhere, or do you have any plan for this summer? Okay. Next is about the the holiday, like real holidays, like Thanksgiving, Christmas break, um, or the other holidays around the world. Okay. And the next one is about the animals. Okay, we're gonna learn some of the animals, and you will learn how to say them in Turkish, and you will also talk about like what is your favorite animal, or do you have any pets in your house? Okay, that's gonna be all. Also, since we are gonna use this book, I will try to include the pages of this book in my videos, okay, so you can just take a look. If you need help, you can just use it. You can take a screenshot or something, okay. And just let me just a second. Okay. Like here are some of the pictures, okay. I'm gonna share with you. If you have any question, just let me know. You can send me an email, or you can write a comment on the assignments on Google Classroom, okay. So until next time, see you guys. Bye bye.